The Derya MK-12 Ultimate Tactical Shotgun is a powerful firearm designed for tactical use. It comes in various models with different features such as adjustable stocks, different capacities like 2+1, 5+1, or 10+1, and barrel lengths of 50 centimeters. The shotgun is chambered for 12 gauge and can handle both 2 3/4 and 3 inches shells. If you're interested in exploring more about the Derya MK-12 Ultimate Tactical Shotgun, you can visit the official Derya Arms website for detailed specifications and options. Derya MK-12 AS101Z Ultra. Source: Derya Arms.